and speak. Hello.
Hello.
You're up there. Very nice. Okay, why not let's have him introduce himself. Would you like to tell everyone here what's your name?
Amigo.
Did you catch that? Let's hear that one more time. Can you tell everyone here what's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name. Amigo here is very smart. Just like us when we are young, we learn to count. But before that, Amigo, you know there's a lot of people out here today. What would you like to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
Amigo's asking how are you? So everyone, how are you feeling today? You feeling good? Hey, they're all very happy to see you. So like I said, Amigo can actually count. So let us hear him count in English.
How are you?
And I am fine. So let's hear him count in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And that was a perfect 10. Well done. Very good, right? Amigo can count. But you know what? He can count in another language. This time let's hear Amigo count in Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, how? That's not doing very good in Chinese. Well done. Now Amigo here, he has a very special hobby. In his free time, he likes to sing. So Amigo here has learned to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first one is his local children's song. It's called Parrot, which actually means a gas comes to visit. Amigo, are you ready? Let's sing in Mandarin. There we go. Parrot live with all word by Amigo. Okay, next song in the next language is Rasa Sayang. For Indonesia, it actually means feelings of love. Amigo, shall we sing Rasa Sayang? Hey, wasn't that a lovely song? Amigo, that was beautiful. Okay, now the last song is actually in English. So today is the 16th of August. By any chance, is anyone here celebrating your birthday? Anyone having a birthday here today? Just raise your hands. Anyone? Okay, how about tomorrow? How about this week? Anyone having a birthday this year? Of course. Alright, Amigo, this song is for all of you, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to every one of you. Alright, Amigo has done a very good job. Time for him to hit that home. But before that, everyone wave your hands and say bye-bye, Amigo. It's your turn.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's give it up for Amigo. Our dear little